Hello guys, welcome to another session of learning with Prepclass. I am a tutor, Adindu. In this video, I'll be solving questions 11 to 15 from the 20th edition Ugo C Ugo Quantitative questions. After this video, you would have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answer when solving questions in quantitative. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know today will be a worthwhile session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can go the extra mile of leaving a question or a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. So, in this session, we're going to be using this example or these examples to solve questions 11 to 15. Now, we have 14, 13, 27. We're just going to use a trial and error to see how these numbers are connected or how these answers were gotten. So 13 plus 14 or 14 plus 13 is equal to 27. So basically, we are adding the above to get the below. So let's try out this one again. 13 plus 17 is equal to 30. Yeah. This is still true for this, and for this we have 69 plus 30, which is equal to 99. So we are definitely establishing an understanding of adding the numbers above, which will give us the answer below. Let's try them out. Question 11, we have 171, 121. So we'll basically be adding these numbers above to give us the answer below. Let's see how to get it done. So 171 plus 121 will give us 292. Because we say 1 plus 1 will give us 2. 2 plus 7 will give us 9. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. And that will be equal to 292. So our correct answer for question 11 will be 292. Let's check it out. Question 11, option A, 292 is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 12. We have 79.5 naira and we have 190 naira. So we came to an understanding that it is the addition of the numbers above to give the number below. But we don't have one of this number. So definitely we are going to subtract this number from this one to get our answer. Let's see how to get it done. So it ought to be 79.5 naira or 79 naira 550 kobo plus what ought to be here to give us 190 naira. But since we don't have this, we're going to see 190 naira minus 79 naira 50 kobo, and that will give us 110 naira 50 kobo. 110 naira 50 kobo. So our correct answer will be 110 naira 50 kobo. Let's check it out. Number 12, option C, 110 naira 50 kobo is actually our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 13. So we have 23.4 and 9.9. So we know that we'll be adding 23.4 and 9.9 to get what ought to be here. Let's check out how to go about it. So 23.4, plus 9.9. So 4 plus 9 will give us 13, 3 carry 1. Add to this, and that will be 4. 9 plus 4 will give us 13, 3 carry 1. Add to this, and that will be 3. We write it down. So our answer will be 33.3. The addition of 23.4 plus 9.9 will give us 33.3. That should be our correct answer. Let's check it out. 33.3 is our correct answer. So for question 13, option E, 33.3 is our correct answer. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Question 14. So we've been asked to resolve what answer should be here. And we know 47 centimeter plus the answer that ought to be here would give us 197 centimeter. But since we don't have this, we're going to say 197 centimeter minus 47 centimeter, and that will give us our correct answer. Let's check it out. So 147 centimeter plus this should give us 197 centimeter. But since we don't have this, we've been asked to find this. We're going to say 197 centimeter minus 47 centimeter, and that will be equal to 150 centimeter. Because 7 minus 7 will give us 0. 9 minus 4 will give us 5. Then we'll bring down 1, and that will be 150 centimeter as our correct answer. Let's check it out. Option B for question 14 is our correct answer, 150 centimeters. Let's look at the next question. So we have 47 hours, and we have a missing space here, an empty space, and we have 63 hours. So normally it ought to be this one plus 47 hours will give us 63 hours. But since we don't have this here, we're going to say 63 hours minus 47 hours will give us our correct answer here. Let's check out how to get it done. So this plus 47 hours should give us 63 hours. But since we don't have this, we're going to say 63 hours minus 47 hours will give us 16 hours. 16 hours. That's how to get it done. Let's check out the correct answer. Question 15, number D, 16 hours is the correct answer. All right. So this is how much we can take in today's video. I hope you had fun, because I had fun. I'm using this time out to ask us to join our WhatsApp group using this link below, so we can get updates about videos to come and also ask questions on the previous videos we've seen. It's actually fun having you guys around. Till I come your way again. Bye.